Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Dream Germany for beginners. In this video you will learn a few greetings in German. Here the German words will appear in black color, whereas the English translation will in yellow color. And at the end of this video you will learn some important vocabulary. So let's begin.
Lektion 1. Begrüßungen.
Once again.
Begrüßungen.
Now you will learn some greetings form in German. So here is the first one. Hello. Once again. Hello. It is very important to pronounce the German words, so you can repeat the words for practice. The next one is
Guten Tag.
once again.
Guten Tag.
Let's now learn some greetings that can be used only during a particular time of the day.
Guten Morgen.
Once again.
Guten Morgen. Guten Abend.
Once again.
Guten Abend. Gute Nacht.
Once again.
Gute Nacht. Tschüss.
Once again.
Tschüss.
This is spoken all over the Germany and mostly informally. Auf Wiedersehen. Once again. Auf Wiedersehen.
Bis bald.
Once again.
Bis bald. Bis später.
Once again.
Bis später.
Now you will learn some important vocabulary. Please note down.
Lektion.
Once again.
Lektion. Lehrer.
Once again.
Lehrer. Lehrerin.
Once again.
Lehrerin. Studentin.
Once again.
Studentin. Student.
Once again.
Student. Deutsch.
Once again.
Deutsch. Sprache.
Once again.
Sprache.
Danke. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still have not. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below.